Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to share with you guys new airdrop update alphas, and also to show you guys about all these platforms and how to get started on. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, I'm back again today with two new fresh airdrop updates. So if you are watching this video, if you are an airdrop farmer, I would like you guys to get started with this as fast as possible. So I'd like to keep this video very short. It's just to illustrate to you people on how to get started on this particular project. And the first one right here that we have is called ZOOP. Now ZOOP is a social media platform just like your normal Facebook and every other social media, in which you interact, you comment, you like, you repost, and then you earn ZOOPies. So according to their X account right here, your ZOOPies will be converted into ZOOP tokens for you to what? For you to sell later at a TGE date. So the more your engagement on their particular platform, the more ZOOPies you earn, and therefore increasing your chances to get more allocation in the future ZOOP token airdrop. Now I'd like you guys to get started on this project, and this project also has a Telegram bot that you can also go through. So I'll be showing you guys the Telegram bot right now. So upon opening your Telegram bot, just like some other projects that we've done on Telegram in the past, is going to measure your activity on Telegram, and it's going to give you a set of reward based on how long you've been using Telegram. So the next thing you are going to do here is to click on get reward. So guys, this is how the interface of the Telegram bot looks like. And then you have the roulette right here. You have about 5 chances of the roulette. So you have to keep coming back here every day to keep on spinning this. Then you can also go to this part in order to claim your daily rewards and also to set up your profile as well. So guys, this is mostly for the old Telegram bot, but let me show you the actual website itself, in which you guys will be using to accumulate your ZOOPies points as well. Now as you guys can see right here, this is the particular home page. So just like Facebook, all you have to do is just like, comment, share, and from there you start to accumulate ZOOPies, and all your ZOOPies right here will be displayed on your profile. Now you can also go to the reward section, and you can also claim daily. So once you get to the reward section, all you have to do, you also have some quests right here. You have the daily quest, and you also have your achievement as well. So make sure you come here to get your daily free bonus. So I'll be clicking mine now in order to get my own bonus, and that'll be all for the day. Now the more ZOOPies you get, the more levels you get to go further in, and right now I just got to a level 5 based on my ZOOPie activity. So please guys, if you are interested in this project, all you have to do is join the Telegram bot. Then you complete all the tasks and quests in the Telegram bot, and also remember to complete your daily spins as well. Then you head over to the website, interact with the website just like you would do with every other social media platform, and keep increasing your ZOOPies counts. Now once more, remember your ZOOPies will be converted to ZOOP token in the future TGE. So if you are watching this video right now, I'd like you guys to start doing this right now. Now the next project I have right here, or rather the last project I have for today's update alpha, is the PING VPN. Now PING recently launched their application just yesterday, and it's just the season 1 of their airdrop campaign. Now in order for you to mine this project, it's actually a very simple thing as well. Remember, on this channel we always give easy to do free $0 airdrop alpha. So if you are watching, do well to engage with all these links in order for you to earn some free tokens in the future. Now for this ping, it is very easy. Like I said before, all you have to do is just to download the ping app. You can get it at the App Store. You can get it at your Play Store. Download the app, register, make use of the referral code. The referral code and all the links will be in the description box. So make sure you go through that in order for you to get all the links and codes you need, and get that code in order for you to also get a referral bonus for your Ping application as well. Now, after you've inputted the code and you've registered, then you have your interface looking like this. So all you have to do is just connect the VPN, and if you head over to the end site, you'll see your points increasing the longer you use the VPN. So this is a VPN to end kind of airdrop project, and it is a DePin project sponsored by the Peak network. So I would like you guys to also start getting into this as well. So that's the two updates I have for you guys today regarding the Zoop airdrop and also the Ping airdrops. And if you are watching this video, I would like you guys to please start right now. Also, do well to go through the description box to get the link to our Telegram channel so that you can get more free offers like this in our Telegram channel. And also, you can also join our trading group as well to receive spots and future signals. So that is it all for today, guys. If you are watching this video, I would like you all to please engage with this right now and start farming all these projects right now. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.